Hello everyone, this video introduces you to the 8-zone Wi-Fi Irrigation Controller. Beautifully packaged in a box containing an 8-zone Wi-Fi Irrigation Controller, transformer, screws and expansion bolt, detailed user manual. In addition to being operated using the app, this controller has 4 buttons right on the body that can also be operated standalone. Right and left button is to move the indicator to the left or right. Cancel. Connecting button is press to cancel the running plan. Hold to enter connection mode. Manual button is pressed to turn on the selected valve or close the running valve. Next is the wire connection. Attach the wires from the transformer into AC terminals. Strip appropriate length of insulation from each wire. Then attach the wires on valves to the terminals. One to the C wire and the other to the number terminal. Here's what to look for. Note 1. Each number terminal can only connect with one wire. Note 2. If there is a master valve, please attach the wires to the C and M terminals on the left side of all feeder terminals. After the line is securely connected, power on and wait for matching with the mobile app to use. Next is water pump and mobile app connection operation. Hold the button on the controller until the indicators start quick flashing, which means connection mode, and check the app. Operate according to the prompts of the app. Enter the Wi-Fi password and go to the next step until the device is added successfully. You can customize the name of the setup device and start controlling the device on/off remotely. Select the 8-zone irrigation controller to go to the device home page. There are many data and functions. Select options on the device homepage and set the watering duration to manual watering switches. For each zone, the rain delay function can be set for 24 hours, 48 hours, and 72 hours. Press the second icon at the bottom to create a new watering plan. The program will proceed automatically after successful setup. Press the third icon at the bottom to disable the area that you do not want to run. Press the last icon at the bottom to view the calendar and last 7 days and next 7 days weather information.